Happy Earth Day, everyone. My name is Jessica and I work for True South Solar here in Ashland. Today I'm going to be talking to you about solar energy and why it's good for our planet. What does the word solar mean? Solar means sun. The sun gives us energy. The sun makes the flowers and trees grow. Now you know what solar is. What is a solar panel? A solar panel is something that produces solar electric energy or electricity from sunlight. This is a big solar panel. Here's what a small solar panel looks like. This one makes electricity to charge my phone. This small solar panel is in my backyard. It sits in the sun all day so it can soak up the sun's energy so that I have light in my backyard at nighttime. We use the big solar panels on houses to make electricity for the house. Things like turning on lights, using a microwave, and turning on the TV all use electricity. So why is solar good for our planet, and why should we use it? Well, solar energy is renewable. That means that it doesn't run out, and it doesn't add pollution into the air or water. Gas and coal energy, which are called fossil fuels, will eventually run out, and they pollute our air and water. So we want to use as little of them as possible, and more solar to help our planet. Now that you know what solar energy is, it's time to go on a solar stroll. Walk around your neighborhood with your parent to see if you can find a big solar panel on a roof, just like this one. Take a picture of it and upload it to the Ecoquest app to complete your activity. Happy Earth Day!